The appeals hearing process. The Department of Labor has two separate appeal levels, the Division of Administrative Hearings and the Unemployment Insurance Commission. An appeal hearing is held with administrative hearings when either an employer or claimant has filed an appeal of a decision issued by the Bureau of Unemployment. This is a new hearing and may be the only opportunity you will have to present evidence that supports your case. Parties in a hearing are usually the claimant, the former employee, the employer, and a staff person representing the Bureau of Unemployment Compensation. You must come to the hearing prepared with all of your evidence and any witnesses, because this may be your only opportunity to introduce evidence and testimony. You will want to provide any documents, letters, statements, or other evidence to the hearing officer at the hearing. It is important you submit any documents that may have been previously submitted at the fact-finding interview, because these documents will not automatically be considered at the hearing unless you present it to the hearing officer. You have the option to request in writing that a subpoena be issued asking the other party to bring specific information that will support your case. A subpoena asks for specific documents to be submitted or witnesses to testify on your behalf. The Preparing for an Appeal Hearing booklet provides more information about requesting subpoenas. Most of the administrative appeal hearings are done by telephone. If you are scheduled for a telephone hearing, it's important that you verify your telephone number on the hearing notice is correct. If you want to be contacted at a different telephone number from the one on the hearing notice, you must provide this telephone number to the appeals office before the scheduled hearing date. Some hearings are held in person. In these cases, the notice will tell you where and when to report for the hearing. The packet will also include directions to the hearing location. It is important that you attend the hearing. If the hearing officer can't contact you at the telephone number provided, or you are not on time for the in-person hearing, you risk losing your chance to present your side of the case. When the party that requested the appeal fails to attend the hearing, the appeal will be dismissed. This means the original decision appealed will stand. Many people wonder if they should hire an attorney for the hearing. Most people do not bring a lawyer. However, you can hire an attorney at your own cost. Once information is presented, the hearing officer will consider the information provided at the hearing and write a decision. If you change your mailing address during the appeal process, be sure to contact the appeals office right away and give them your correct mailing address to ensure you receive your copy of this decision. So to recap, be prepared. Verify your telephone number on the hearing notice is correct. Gather and submit to administrative hearings any documents, statements, or evidence you would like considered at your hearing. Submit subpoena requests to the Administrative Hearings Office in writing. Be present at the hearing. It doesn't matter if you're the employer or the claimant, each side's input at the hearing is important. Be available and on time for the hearing. Resources to help you prepare for an appeal hearing with the Division of Administrative Hearings are available at our website, www.maine.gov/labor. Click on the Online Services tab and locate Appeal and Unemployment Claims Decision in the orange box. Information will be mailed with your hearing notice on how to prepare for your hearing. If you disagree with the decision made by the hearing officer, you may appeal to the second level of appeals, the Unemployment Insurance Commission. The Unemployment Insurance Commission reviews all requests for an appeal. However, they may not rehear your case. The Commission will review your case and determine the next step necessary to resolve the appeal. The Commission will notify you by mail of the Commission's decision about any next steps related to your appeal. It's important to contact the Commission office directly if your mailing address changes to make sure you receive any correspondence regarding your appeal. You may contact the Unemployment Insurance Commission with any questions at 207-623-6786. You may also call our office for answers to basic appeal and hearings questions at 207-621-50 01.